Okay, so in this example 5 on page 242, we're going to use the nth roots to solve equations now instead of expressions. So if we take example 5 and look at it, it's 2x to the 5th equal to 64. And so usually the first step is to do the order of operations in reverse. There's no adding or subtracting, so looks like it's the 2. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. So I'll divide everything by 2. I get x to the 5th equal to 32. Then the second step of the order of operations, because we're doing order of operations in reverse, in reverse. Okay, and so I need to get rid of the 5. So to do that, I have to take it to the 1/5 power to both sides. So I'm going to do the 1/5 root to both sides. Okay, and so this causes this to go to 1 because we're multiplying here. So we get x, and so now we have 32 to the 1/5, but we already know that we can turn that into radical form. So this is 5 as a root and 32. So again, we've seen this before with the 32. That's really 2 to the 5th. Okay, so that means that there's 5 2's in 32, and so 1 can come out as 2. So we get an answer of 2 for this one. And this is the same type of thing that you do. Remember, the order of operations, called the O of O, okay, is parentheses or brackets that we do first. Second is going to be exponents or radicals. Third is multiplication or division, left to right. And then the fourth is addition or subtraction, left to right. But we always do it in this direction because we do not know all the numbers. So when we're solving equations, we do this direction. We actually go in this direction when we're actually checking our work, right? So if I take the 2, I could put it back in. So I could go, okay, 2 times 2 to the 5th is equal to 64. So I'll do this first because it is an exponent. It's the second step, and there are no parentheses or brackets. So that's 2 times 32. And then I do the multiplication next. And so I multiply to give me the 64 equal to 64. So checking is this direction now, and solving equations is in this direction. So that's what you want to do with the 2 try-it problems that are on page 242. So go to your ebook and do those, and then submit them in Google Classroom.